name's Neil. Welcome to my whatever. Something or other. But today, well, I gotta open it up. So I got myself a new laptop because this video editing stuff was so slow on my old MacBook. I got the 14-inch MacBook Pro, so it's heavy. And so what I wanted to get was a laptop protective case in hardcover with keyboard cover. So let's check this thing out and see what it looks like and see how it fits onto there. Let me see, does it have a brand? It says Workcase is the brand. That's what it is there. You can see that, it's clear, it's the color. So, okay, everything's out of there. And then here's some sort of thank you. Crystal, oh, here's the keyboard cover and here's the case cover. So let's just open this up and check it out. Okay, so we got it open now and it looks like it's these two pieces. Oh, this one here needs to be uncovered. Okay, now we have these two pieces, obviously the bottom and the top. Let's check these things out. And if this here, look, it's got like rubber indents. I guess this is where the little feet are. Let me close this thing up. So you see there's the little feet on the bottom. So let's see how we line this up. I guess it lines up this way because it's got the notch for the front there. And I guess that's it. So that's pretty cool. It just clips on. And there it'll stay on because it's kind of pushed on, but you see that's what it looks like. It's kind of clear and you still have the space for the ports. Now it's this top here. It's very, it's not very clear, but then once it's on, it looks pretty clear. So I guess if you wanted to put stickers or something like that on the top, you could get away with doing that. Let's see, which way is it? It's gonna go this way. And that is now all pushed on, I guess. So, and now this is what it looks like. So now it's protected, I guess. So let's see if we open it up. Still is gonna work normal. Pretty cool. I like it. Doesn't add much weight to it or anything like that, and it makes it nice. And it actually raises it up a tiny bit. So when I'm using it, it's a little bit bigger, but it's not, doesn't really add much. You saw how thin those pieces of plastic were. So this is it now. So now I have my MacBook 11 in a protective case. So if I ding it or something like that, it'll be okay. But I'm gonna check one other thing. I have a 14-inch MacBook Pro case. Let's see if it still fits in the case. Oh yeah, no problem. Still fits in the case with the cover. The cover's pretty small, so I like it. So thumbs up for me for it. And I'm gonna leave this on, and it's got these air vents on the bottom, even though the case is completely solid underneath. So now it almost looks like there'd be air vents, but I think the air all comes through there. So pretty cool, I like it. So I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this and subscribe to my channel. And if you have a MacBook Pro 14-inch, A2442, I don't know, mine's 20, what year is it now? 2022, so it's 2021 is I think the model of the laptop, even though I just got it just now. But that's it, thumbs up for me, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye. Oops, I forgot, there's this case, the cover for the keyboard. Let's see what this thing looks like. So let's see, does it have instructions? No. I forgot to put this on. Let's see, made with durable, non-toxic, blah, blah, blah. So high pressure molding allows unparalleled tactile support. Oh no, it seems like it's almost got a plastic cover on it or something. Let me see, does it? Or is it just the way it is? No, it's gotta be on in something here. Let me see. See, if you look at it, it's got like a little texture looking thing to it. So I'm guessing it has a film on it that must have to come off. Oh yeah, I can see it here now. Ah, there we go. So it does have this little super thin, that's the thinnest piece of plastic I've ever seen in my life. And there's no way it's ever gonna come off my hand. stick it on something. There we go. So now let's try this on the keyboard and see how it goes. So right there. Oh, and I can push it on. And it's such a thin plastic. There, now it's on there. So now it should be somewhat waterproof as well. I'm not sure I'll keep that on or not, but it does seem to work okay with it on. I'm not really in high liquid environments. I've never had anything happen, although now that I've said it, I probably will. So I'll keep it on for a little while and see how it goes. I like it. I got it mostly for the outside case though. But stays on and everything. I like it. Thumbs up. Okay, bye.